Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Matt Sack with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz. Today we're going to be talking about how our remote start works with our app called Mercedes Me Connect. Once you get your Mercedes Me Connect app set up in-house, that's something we do for you. First and foremost, you're going to have your vehicle showing up exactly how it looks on the home screen. A couple other items you're going to see up there are the lock status, so you can actually unlock and lock your vehicle right from the app. If you happen to forget to lock the vehicle, it will actually notify you through the app. You can go right into the app, actually push lock or unlock. It will require a 4-digit PIN just for security reasons. That's something you create on your own. But again, just kind of a good convenience feature, being able to, of course, lock and unlock the vehicle just from your app. Right next to that is going to be your remote start option. So a few different guidelines to talk about. First and foremost, vehicle has to be locked, so all doors need to be locked. Fuel level has to be 20% or greater, so that's about 4 to 5 gallons. The other big one is all windows have to be rolled up. That also includes the moonroof or panorama roof, depending on which one that you have. From there, you'll see a start button on the bottom. All we do is push start, and then we'll have to, of course, enter that 4-digit PIN in again. So we can see here, once we apply that, request has been received. Give it about anywhere from about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice that vehicle will in fact start up. Vehicle will then run for a total of 10 minutes. It'll also give you your current interior temperature. If you needed to stop the engine for whatever reason, you decided not to leave, there actually is a stop button so you can actually stop that. But pretty easy to use for the most part. The biggest thing to really remember is really that fuel level, especially when it gets to the winter season, when you're actually utilizing that remote start. You're just gonna wanna make sure that you have that gas filled. Beauty of this system, it works with Bluetooth. You're not limited to range. It's not like something on a key fob where you're limited to range. You can really start this vehicle 5 miles away from it, 100 miles away from it, across the country. One other important thing to talk about is our remote start is a little bit different than some of the other vehicles out in the market. When we come up to the vehicle doors, we go to unlock when the vehicle is in fact remote started. Ultimately, the vehicle engine is going to shut off. The reason for that is really just security reasons. Let me show you an example here. So as we can see, vehicle is in remote start right now. Doors are locked. So then, of course, as we come up to the vehicle, unlock using our keyless go, engine does in fact shut off. So this is an important piece, definitely a question that we get quite a bit. Matt, why does my car shut off when I come up to the door after a remote start? Just the way that Mercedes does it. When you think about security, Mercedes is definitely looking out for your best interest.